Yes, sir.
Who was R.R. Shinde?
Sir, R.R. Shinde was the name of my college. He was the wealthy person in our area and he had given a donation to our college. So, to recognize that, the name was given to the college.
He was from Satara?
Yes, sir.
What is the historical importance of Satara?
Sir, Satara has been capital of Maratha Empire since 17th century. Afterwards, sir, after 18, due to doctrine of last, it went to British Empire, and later, sir, currently the Chhatrapati Udayanraje Bhosle, who is the heir of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, he's been living there.
Who was Tarabai?
Sir, Tarabai was also from the Bhosle family, but her capital was in Kolhapur.
Kolhapur.
Yes, sir.
Her initial capital was Satara?
Actually, sir, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, he started his line from Satara, and at the same time, he was in conflict with Tarabai, Maharani Tarabai, and she was in Kolhapur.
Okay. What do you know about Savitribai Phule?
Sir, Savitribai Phule had a great role in women's education, as well as in a conflict against caste-based discrimination. So, recently, from her name was given to Pune University of Pune. This is what.
What is mechanism?
Sorry, sir.
What is mechanism?
Mechanism, sir.
Yeah, mechanism. Yes.
In a technical sense, sir.
Yes, technical sense.
So, mechanism is a process which is involved in every instrument. For example, sir, every mechanical thing has a mechanism. For example, sir, piston and rod in engine. So they work in a relative motion, and that forms a mechanism. This is what.
Acha, you are a mechanical engineer?
Yes, sir.
I am not wrong. So you went to that engineering college
Yes,
through
sir.
competition or through donation?
I went through competition, sir.
Through competition.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Through JEE exam, sir.
Acha. Joint entrance examination.
Yes, sir.
Your first preference is CISF.
That's right, sir.
And your last preference is Indo-Tibetan Border Police ITBP.
Yes,
Why?
sir.
What is the reason behind this?
Actually, sir, when I started for this exam, I didn't know that we need to fill the form, fill the preferences. So I was prepared to join every force. But when I got to know that we need to fill the preferences, so I learned about CISF. It was new to me, so that generated interest in it. And sir, in CISF, we get to work at various places, at various economic installations. So I found it very interesting, and that's why I joined it. And sir, ITBP it is also a very good force, but some force had to come in last, and I gave the preferences, so it come at last.
Achha, so why do you want to join these forces? Why do you want to join?
CI.
Yeah, any.
So there are multiple reasons for that. The most important being, sir, I come from military family. My village name is Apshinge Military, which was given to it by British government in 1920. Around, sir, 45 persons from our village participated in World War I, and since then, in every war, people from our village have participated. In fact, sir, my father, my grandfather, my great-grandfather, all of them are from defense forces. My grandfather had martyred in 1971 war. So that gave me encouragement to join the force. And
Just you said
yes, sir.
that you don't know about the preferences, priorities of these forces, border security force and all.
Yes, sir.
You just said na, that you don't knew about the preferences. And
Actually, sir, I thought that this is a defense type exam. So in other forces, for example, sir, SSB, we are not supposed to give the forms. They allot us to the force based on the number of vacancies available. So I thought that we need to appear for the exam, and they will decide the rest of the things.
when you came to know about this particular examination?
Sir, I came to know in 2018, sir.
2018.
Yes, sir.
Before that you don't know
About CAPF, I didn't know, sir.
Okay, why? What's the reason?
Actually, sir, I knew about other exams, but when I started for preparing for competitive exams, then I got to know about it. Earlier I was in engineering college, and my friends and other people from whom I could have got to know, they were not much interested in this thing. So because of that, I think, sir, I didn't come to know.
And why don't you want to be an engineer and serve our country?
Sir, when I started for engineering, it was very much clear in my mind that I will go for competitive exams, but as it demands some graduation degree, so I went for engineering degree.
Don't think that this is a kind of brain drain.
Yes, sir. Some of the intelligent engineers are coming in this field, but I think it is helping both the forces, because they can use some of their knowledge, if it is possible, in those forces. So I would not call it brain drain, sir.
How your knowledge of mechanical engineering shall help you in these forces while serving these forces?
Sir, I think it will help in two ways. The first and most important thing is the personality that we develop over these 4 years. Sir, in engineering, we are taught to consider a particular thing in the form of system, to understand the role of each and every part in the whole system. So the same mechanism, the same process can be applied while serving in CAPF. Secondly, sir, CAPF, when I from whatever knowledge I have about CAPF, there are a lot of vehicles and things, mechanical things which are there in the CAPF. So I would take interest in learning about them, and if it is possible, sir, I try to use my knowledge in it.
ओंकार.
Yes, sir.
ओंकार और ओंकार.
It is ONKAR, sir. Onkar.
ओंकार एंड ओमकार.
Yes.
दो वर्ड यूज होते हैं ना.
Yes, sir.
इनमें कोई डिफरेंस होता है या इक्वल होते हैं?
Sir, I discussed with my parents about that, because all my friends have Omkar name and I have Onkar name. But he told me that there is no specific reason. Generally, it is the Onkar word is used in south, and Omkar is generally used in north. That's why I got to know from them.
What is the difference between C10 and octane?
Sir, C10 number, as far as I recall, is about petrol engine, and octane number is about diesel engine.
Are you sure?
So I have not been in touch with engineering since last 4 years, so I'm not pretty sure about it.
Do you know about Subhash Palekar?
Yes, sir. Subhash Palekar is a person behind zero budget organic farming, and it is a very good concept, because currently, sir, our agriculture is facing multiple issues due to use of chemical fertilizers, and zero budget organic farming could be a solution.
You are from Koregaon.
Actually, I'm from Satara district, sir. Koregaon is my where I got birth.
What is Maharashtra religion? Do you know about
Maharashtra religion?
religion?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware about that.
महाराष्ट्र से हैं आप और
Sir, it is called as Maharashtra Dharma. So is
Master Dharma.
रामदास.
yes, sir. Sant Ramdas. He is guru. He was guru of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
स्टेट में शुरू किया था महाराष्ट्र धर्म.
Okay, sir. Thank you for telling.
अच्छा, ओंकार, महाराष्ट्र में जब गुरु परंपरा ये जो चली है,
Yes, sir.
गुरु रामदास वगैरह जितने भी लोग रहे हैं, शिवाजी तक,
Okay, sir.
महाराष्ट्र एक सेक्युलर स्टेट रहा है.
Yes, sir. Right.
लेकिन बाद में आकर के देखा जाता है जैसे पेशवा काल आता है,
Yes, sir.
पेशवा काल में ये उतना सेक्युलर नहीं रह पाता.
Yes, sir.
उसका मेन रीजन क्या है?
Sir, during Peshwa time around, I think around 18th century, at the start of 18th century, the Marathas were surrounded by Mughals, Adil Shahi. So I think majorly this could be the reason, because at that time religious conflicts were going on. The Hindu, some of the temples were destroyed, and some of the Muslim temples were also, Muslim mosques were also destroyed. So that could have led to conflict. But and earlier, before that, sir, Bhakti movement was going on, and Bhakti movement helped to synthesize between Hinduism and Muslim. But during Peshwai time, the Bhakti movement was not at its peak, so that could be also one of the reason.
भीमा कोरेगांव का एक विवाद हुआ था, काफी चर्चा में रहा था.
Yes, sir.
उस समय जो पेशवा से वार हुआ था वो कौन सी फौज से हुई
Sir, it was between Britishers and Peshwa.
ब्रिटिशर्स एंड पेशवा। रेजिमेंट कौन सी थी?
Mahar regiment was there. Yes, sir.
सपोज इट अगर कहा जाए कि महार रेजिमेंट पेशवा से लड़ी अंग्रेजों से मिलकर, ठीक है, उसे नेशनल मान सकते हैं या नहीं मान सकते?
I would call it national, sir, because at that time there wasn't a concept like a nation. Mahars were loyal to the Britishers, and Britishers were ruling at that time. So I think it is a loyalty which is important, and they were national if we consider Britishers as a rulers, as a British India as a nation at that time.
एक चीज आपसे कहा जाएगा ओंकार की बुंदेलखंड उत्तर प्रदेश में,
Yes, sir.
मराठवाड़ा,
Yes, sir.
और रायलसीमा,
Yes, sir.
इन तीनों में मेन कॉमन चीजें क्या है?
Sir, these are unfortunately the drought-prone regions of India, and as they, due to geographical reason, they are in the rain shadow region of India. Due to Western Ghats, they fall in a rain shadow region, and they don't get enough rainfall, and due to it, there is a drought-like condition is there, and farmers are facing a lot of troubles.
और महाराष्ट्र में एक फोर्स है जो एंटी नक्सल मूवमेंट में लगी हुई है, अब सीएपीएफ में जा रहे हैं।
Yes, sir.
कौन सी फोर्स है?
Sir, as far as I recall, there is anti-Naxalite organization is there.
लास्ट ईयर उसके कुछ जवान शहीद भी हुए।
Yes, sir. In Gadchiroli there was an attack, but is it, sir, CRPF force or Maharashtra specific force?
महाराष्ट्र स्पेशल फोर्स।
I'm sorry, sir. I only read about action anti-Naxalite operation organization.
वही तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है।
Okay, sir.
मेन रूप से तो वो लड़ता है, जैसे
Yes, sir.
स्पेशल फोर्स स्टेट पुलिस थी वो।
Yes, sir.
सर लो इंटेंसिटी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ये क्या होता है?
Sir, can I take a guess? I haven't read about it. I think, sir, it is different from traditional war because in it there is no full-scale conflict between the people. Small ambushes and small-scale conflicts take place, like, sir, Naxal attack on the vehicles of our authorities and our forces. So those could be called as small intensity conflict.
न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं?
Yes, sir.
कौन सा?
Sir, I read Indian Express.
इंडियन एक्सप्रेस।
Yes, sir.
इंडियन एक्सप्रेस के चीफ एडिटर कौन है?
Ramnath Goenka, if I'm right, sir. I'm not pretty sure.
श्योर नहीं।
Could you give me, sir, 2-3 seconds? It is Ramnath Goenka, sir.
सपोर्टेड ओंकार, आपसे ये क्वेश्चन हो कि जितने भी आप मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हैं,
Yes, sir.
टेक्निकल वर्ड में इसको बताइए, जितने भी आतंकवादी ग्रुप हैं या जितने भी चीज मतलब अलगाववादी आतंकवादी ग्रुप हैं, वो मैक्सिमम हम देखते हैं वो टोयोटा की गाड़ी यूज करते हैं। मेन रीजन इसका क्या है? आप अफगानिस्तान, ईरान, इराक, जहाँ भी ये सब है, वहाँ पे आप देखेंगे टोयोटा ही यूज करते हैं अधिकतर 90%। मेन रीजन क्या है?
I think it is largely because Toyota makes a large number of SUVs. So they are very sturdy. They are good for off-roading, and the terrorist operations generally operate in forested areas. There they need a good amount of ground clearance, and they also need good power. And Toyota vehicles provide those things. So that could be one of the reason. And also, sir, they also need to carry arms along with them. So the space at the back of the vehicle is also given in a good amount in Toyota cars. So that could be one of the reasons, sir.
हम जो फ्यूल यूज करते हैं,
Yes, sir.
एंटी नॉकिंग के लिए क्या क्या यूज किया जाता है?
Sir, knocking is a phenomenon in which, sir, can I explain knocking?
एंटी नॉकिंग के लिए क्या क्या एलिमेंट्स यूज किए जाते हैं? कौन कौन से मतलब तत्व मिलाए जाते हैं? डीजल है, पेट्रोल है आपका?
Yes, sir.
उसमें हम क्या मिक्स करते हैं?
Um,
एंटी नॉकिंग के लिए?
I'm not able to recall, sir. Sorry.
अभी रिसेंट में एक समझौता हुआ है बोडो से,
Yes, sir.
क्या आपको लगता है कि एक अलगाववादी संगठन से भारत सरकार को समझौता करना चाहिए?
I think we should go for the negotiations, sir, because the ultimate aim of Indian government is to establish peace, and if that negotiation could lead to a peaceful situation, then we should go for the negotiation, sir.
ये चीज बताइए, नक्सलवाद के बारे में आप जानते हैं?
Yes, sir, I have read about it.
जो
Yes, sir, I have read about it.
रीजन क्या था ये?
At the start, it was farmer distress, but later, sir, some people with vested interest misused their problems for their own political gains.
इसमें अक्सर कहा जाता है कि ये किसानों के लिए शुरू होगा,
Yes, sir.
जमींदारों के खिलाफ,
Yes, sir.
ठीक। लेकिन वेस्ट बंगाल और केरला दो मॉडल माने जाते हैं जिन्होंने जमींदारी को पूरी तरीके से समाप्त किया।
Yes, sir.
एक रोल मॉडल माने जाते हैं स्टेट,
Yes, sir.
लेकिन इसकी शुरुआत भी वेस्ट बंगाल से होती है,
Yes, sir.
ऐसा क्यों?
Sir, the village where it started, Naxalbari, it was still under the clutches of zamindars, because the main incident which instigated this movement was due to conflict between the people of the representatives of zamindar and the farmers. So that area was under the control, and once that incident happened, there were some of the people in the surrounding areas who were also facing the distress. So the Kanu Sanyal and the other person, they used their feelings against government to expand their hold.
ओंकार, सपोजिट आपको एसी बना दिया गया,
Yes, sir.
आप एसी हो और आपकी एक सबऑर्डिनेट है,
Yes, sir.
लड़की है, काफी खूबसूरत है,
Yes,
अनमैरिड है,
yes,
तो आपके साथ डेट चाहिए,
yes, sir.
आप जाएंगे या नहीं जाएंगे?
I won't go, sir, because, sir, here I think there is conflict between my personal ambitions and my professional ambitions, and from whatever I have learned from about this organization, so professional ambitions are most important, and this is against.
पर्सनल मैटर हुआ ना, आप किसके साथ जा रहे हैं?
Sir, it could lead to conflict of interest if I could give her special I could give her a special I'm sorry, I'm not able to recollect the word, sir, but that could lead to conflict of interest.
अच्छा, my last question, ओंकार, आपने मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग किया हुआ है,
Yes, sir.
फादर ऑफ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग किसे कहा जाए?
Sorry, sir.
फादर ऑफ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट का एक होता है ना, इतिहास का हेरोडोटस होते हैं,
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, I am not aware
इंजीनियर
about.
का पिता किसे कहा जाए? You can guess.
Is it I am not aware, sir, because
ठीक है।
अच्छा, what districts of Maharashtra are Naxal affected?
sir, it is largely a north eastern part of Maharashtra, which includes Gondia, Gadchiroli, some part of Nashik and Chandrapur.
अच्छा.
Yes, sir.
So, what policies would you adopt to tackle Naxalism in Maharashtra particularly?
Sir, as far as Maharashtra is concerned, those northeastern part is largely tribal dominated, and it is also in watershed region, so they are facing some problems. So I think long-term solution would be development. If we develop infrastructure, if we give them water they need through various irrigation infrastructure development programs over there, then over the period of time they will see the fruits of development, and this will help us to de-radicalize them. But in a short term, sir, it is also important to deal with the Naxalites who are misleading them. So to deal with that, government has started surrender program. Along with this, sir, government is helping our authorities who are working there with the modern state of art equipments. So both things would be there. One is to help the tribals, and second one is to deal with the Naxalites.
Who is your favorite politician from Maharashtra?
Sir, I don't have any favorite politician as such, but I admire Sharad Pawar ji.
Why?
Because, sir, he started from scratch, and over the period of time he formed a national party. So So these things that I admire me, the person who has started from nothing, has led to a national level. He has served as a defense minister of India. So this thing admire.
Okay, now I go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.